Welcome to this episode of Mommy SeaStar. I'm going to do a pour painting right now, and I'm on a quest to make paint cells. So I'm going to try again using a combination of things. I'm going to use my marbling medium, Testor's Craft. I'm going to use Artist Loft Flow Acrylic and some rubbing alcohol. And I've already pre-mixed my paint. I'm going to use the contrasting colors of bright white and some jade green. I made a background using the drippings from another painting, and I'm going to use this funnel which I found from an old spool of string. So I'm going to put this in the middle of this canvas here, and I'll start out with my white. The jade green, and we'll let out the paint slowly. Don't touch, please.
Look, it's green.
Mm-hmm.
It's like
It's green.
It's like it's green.
It's cool, huh?
It's like green.
Don't touch, please.
White! It's planet.
Mm-hmm. Interesting shape there. Unexpected produce beautiful results.
I got
And here's the finished piece. I think it looks really cool. I put white around it because I wanted the middle part to stand out. And to me, it looks like a cross section of a plant stem through the microscope. I just really like this. So I'm calling it Organism because it looks like that. A piece of a plant through a microscope.